promised, we have the 1972 Chevy Cheyenne back in the Real World Garage. It's back over with us. We're going to do the HVAC. We're going to try to get the all the duct work put back in the truck. For 50 years, it's all collapsed. No hammers will be required. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go through a quick unboxing. We're going to look at what Brothers Truck sent us, not a sponsor. And we're going to look at one of the other problems that we had, the blower relay. So then we're going to go out and take a look at the actual truck and show you what the plan is. All right, we've got the box open and ready to go. I wanted to show you, these are the hoses and ducting tube from inside the car. This is where years of trying to wrap with electrical tape and put it back together. These are the tubes in the condition they're in right now. Not suitable for trying to make a usable air conditioner. This is the kit that they sent us. And they also sent along a nice magazine and of course your 47 to 72 Chevy and GMC catalog. So should we need more parts, we can get into the catalog, go online. They've been real good to work with so far. Haven't had any real issues. So let's open this up and take a look at what they sent us. Get a little closer look anyway. Now, these appear to be just like the factory OEM hoses. Same kind of material, same kind of feel, except one thing, they're not breaking and busting like the nearly 50-year-old tubing is. So, all right, I'm gonna apologize in advance for the wind, but we'll get inside this truck. It won't be as bad. All right, there is the blower speed relay we have from where we diagnosed it before. Let's take a quick look inside here in the dash. And I believe that tube that we have inside there that he had electrical taped up, I believe went right here to this dash corner vent. But as you can see, we've got some work to do in here. We'll try to get zoomed in there for you. Right here, this is a plenum diverter assembly right here, and there's a gap where it meets the condenser box to this plenum. So you're going to be leaking air conditioned air or heated air there. So we're going to work on sealing that up. And let's get turned in here. And you can see up in the dash where the venting tubes go. It's all going to be pretty tight. But we're going to get up in there and get it all figured out. And as you saw in the intro, these cables are stiff. And the worst thing you can do is to go ahead and force these cables into their position, which I don't believe he did, because if you can reach your hand here where it's you operate it, and under the dash with your other hand where it connects, and you gently move each one together, the cable does still slide, it does still operate. I think what we're just dealing with is in need of a lubrication and to exercise that stuff a little bit. That just 50 years has just taken its toll. So we'll be able to get that put back together and working properly. And I'm gonna have to ask him about that. This is the register for the defroster on the passenger side. I need to see if he actually has that, and so we can get that put back in the proper place. So as you can see, we've got our work cut out for us. The dash cluster is going to have to come out. I'm going to try my best to work around the radio, and I'm going to try my best to leave the actual dash HVAC controls in their current location the less you can take apart, the better off you are. And we're going to talk to him about his glove box. He says he has the glove box door, but I'm not sure if he has a good insert. So we'll take a look at that and figure out what we're going to have to do there. Well, with the wind that's blowing, the fact I have on a light coat, and I'm not wearing shorts, I ought to tell you, it's wintertime in Mississippi. All right, I know. Some of you are going to say that I need to go put on my socks with my flip-flops, right? We actually do have a few winter days here in Mississippi. But we also have a lot of temperate days, which is going to allow me to get out there and get to work on this 1972 Chevy Cheyenne and get the HVAC and all this ventilating tube and get everything operating like it's supposed to. And we're going to video it and show you how to do it. If you hadn't already done it, go down there and hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, go down there in the comments and ask them. Anything you can ask, I'll do my best to get you an answer. Until next time, thanks for coming to the Real World Garage.